Hello and welcome. This is Cheryl. Thank you so much for joining me today. This is a super quick video. I use the Barely Art glue in the fine line bottle, and every once in a while I have someone asking me how I refill it, so I thought I'd just do a quick video with it. My bottle here is a little bit empty. Now I have a new refill bottle here. When you get it, it comes with this foil on top, and I use my die pick in order to pierce a hole towards the edge, and I kind of try to make it a little bit of a teardrop shape so that it has kind of a pointed end to use as a funnel. I then put the glue right from the bottle into my fine line bottle, filling it up. And anytime I need to refill that bottle, I just use that same hole. Sometimes you'll get a little bit of the glue that dries around the outside edges that you can use that same die pick in order to pierce that off if you want to. But this works best for me. I have a lot of control because I have a small opening. If you were to open that whole thing, it'd be really hard to pour from that larger bottle and get it into that smaller hole from the smaller bottle. This works absolutely perfect. If by chance you've already taken that foil off, maybe some packer's tape around the outside edge to kind of just create a little bit of a funnel or a spout for it to pour in. Now, about once a week, I take my top off my bottle because we all know that glue likes to dry in there. We have the pin that came with it. I will put it under warm water using that pin to make sure that all of those little dried glue bits come off so that it runs really nicely, and it significantly reduces the amount of times I have clogs in my little fine tip there. I also don't use the cap that comes with the bottle. I have a fine, like a tip that goes nice and snug on that bottle that I got from an older bottle that I wasn't using anymore. And I just like that better because it creates a more secure, snug, airtight seal around that tip. So I hope these tips help. Again, I just wanted to create a quick video with it because it's something that I get asked every once in a while, and I just thought this is the easiest way to explain it. I hope you have a fantastic day. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate the time that you spend with me.